remember whenever this was a washboard dirt road heading out to our house. That's a Superstition Mountain. I'll show you where my property was. Love this place out here. Okay, this was my place back in the early 80s. There was a house there. That mobile home wasn't there. It's this corner lot right here. See where the fence line is. So this was my view. Didn't have that block wall there. You used to be able to see the whole base of the mountain. Love looking at the Superstition Mountain, the sunrises. Alright, got our shower out in Apache Junction. We're gonna go settle in for the night. Make some dinner. I'd have to go check out Harley Davidson tomorrow. See if there's anything worth trading my bike in for. Alright, day 2. I guess I'm making the fried potatoes and Debbie's gonna make the chicken and some pasta. Alright, let's get into it. I think I might have to name this Wagon Wheel Restaurant. Alrighty, something to think about. Things are getting hot. Alright, how you gonna do your chicken?
I'm gonna coat it like that, and then I'm gonna put it in the frying pan.
What you got on there?
Just some stuff.
Alright. I like stuff on my chicken.
Secret recipe.
What we got here?
Noodles.
Alright.
Chicken noodles.
Chicken flavored noodles.
And then I need a lid.
Hey, you little boy. What you doing? You just waiting to eat, huh? I'm with you there, boy.
Fella come in and ate all his chicken he had from the other night.
Oh, yeah? Well, you should have some more chicken tonight.
Yeah.
Alright.
Everything's cooking.
I gotta go check my taters.
Cut that up a little more.
What's that?
I was gonna cut that meat up a little more, but not like that.
Alright.
That takes a little bit longer to cook.
I gotta go check the chicken. Or the taters.
Alright, I'll be right here.
Oh yeah. We're getting somewhere now. Alright, had to get a quick look how my baby's doing. Oh yeah. We're gonna be done at the same time. Awesome. I'll be back.
Alright, be back.
Alright, my baby's ready. And so am I. Let's do it. Alright. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There you have it. Do a flyover. Fly back. Rewind. Alright guys. Have a good night. Alright baby. Taking a nap.